Today we are going to be making pink and blue glow-in-the-dark slime. So I got two balls because they're going to be separate. So the first thing that we're going to put is, what are we going to put?
The glue?
The glue. So first, of course, we're going to use this pink glue first. We're going to put all of it in. That's what all other videos do. So we squeeze. I just put this on the side. Squeeze. Sit there, buddy. There's something in here. Just get that out. I never made slime in a while yet. I made a video with it. I think I made slime a long time ago, but I just lost it or it dried out and got messy. So yes, just gonna squeeze that. There we go. Let's get that piece out. Okay, I think it's done. So I'm just gonna put that on the side, and now this one, the blue turquoise color. Lid. I forgot to put the lid back on. Usually other people do this, so I decided to do that because I didn't feel slime in a while or made slime, so yeah. So, squeeze. Yeah. Just gonna, there's just still some in. Yep. There's still some in there. This doesn't want to come out. Stick. Okay, so that rest doesn't want to come out. I'll leave some surviving. Okay, next what we're going to put is detergent. So that one. Thank you. And this spoon. A person's helping me so I can make these slimes faster. And next up is shaving cream. Oh, that's a lot of shaving cream.
Use your hands, Kyla. Use your hands.
It won't come out, so I'm just gonna have to touch this shaving cream and make it come out.
Start mixing your slime.
What about with the spoon? What about the spoon?
You use your hands.
Ew. Now we're gonna start mixing our slime, I think. Yes? Hey, stop! So we're just gonna put, oh my gosh, it's a lot. It's a lot of goo and shaving cream. Are you sure this is how much? It's supposed to be in here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this, and it's so gooey. Someone's falling off. My slime is so hard.
Don't let it fall out. Clean it up.
Yeah.
There you go. It's turning. See? Turning.
It's turning into slime. I'm gonna need to wash my hands after this. Does shaving cream come off? Ew. It's starting to turn into a nice pink glowy color, but a less not glow in the dark color. But it is starting to turn into slime.
You have to mix the shaving cream in.
Now to mix the shaving cream in, Mommy, can you mix that one? Please. Or something. Thanks. Well, I don't think I'm gonna be able to, my mom's gonna mix the blue one. I'm mixing the pink one. It's starting to turn into a pink, nice slime. Because, you know, it is pink slime. I'll just get this shaving cream on. Whoa, it's just big pink slime. You don't have to, like, you know, can you just scoop this slime or shaving slime off me? Okay, now, okay, just gonna, ew. I'm just gonna go wash my
You're
hands.
supposed to scrape it off on the bowl. Scrape it off. You're supposed to keep going, baby. Keep mixing it.
But I want to mix it with the spoon. Like Thea is. It's much more easier. So
Oh,
my
you're
hands
gonna
won't get
drip.
dirty. So my hands won't get dirty.
Okay, go wash your hands.
I'm gonna go wash my hands. So yeah, it's so hot. It's so gooey. It's hot. It's a good thing shaving cream comes off. I think after a while, I hope. Okay, my hands are finally nice and clean, but I still need to get some of the shaving cream off of me and some of the pink stuff off me and pink glue off me, and now I need to dry my hands. So can I use this spoon? Can I use the spoon, Thea? Use the spoon. Thank you. Okay. I need a napkin. I don't want to. Mom, you can stop and go wash your hands. I'll just mix that with this after, like, you know. So we're just gonna mix. Do we have 2 spoons so Mommy can like go wash your hands and you can hold the camera? Okay, okay. This is starting to turn into a real slime. Like really good slime.
I'm having fun with this.
Mommy. Here.
What? This is fun.
Mommy.
Look at this. It's nice and fluffy. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, use the spoon. Use the spoon, Mommy.
There it is. Look at how easy that comes.
So easy with the spoon. Some spoons. Okay, starting to turn into slime. I think it's almost time for me to use it with my hands finally instead of mixing with my hands first instead of after. While Mommy keeps just getting off all the slime off her fingers and her hand, I'll just keep mixing. It's easier if you have a big spoon. Hey, are you recording me too? Oh, some slime's falling off. Well, at least. And I think it's time. I just touch it. I think it's time for me to like mix it with my hands. It's almost time actually. It's okay, I don't care. Just need a new napkin. Just put that on the side. I didn't know making slime will be this hard to mix. Hey. You can talk in this video, Mommy. You're in it too. You can say what you're doing.
Cleaning off the slime from the table.
No, Mommy, I didn't mean like that, what you're doing with that slime.
Ooh, look at how gooey it is.
Just need another napkin. This just gonna, Mommy, gonna just
Now
put
you
it
keep
in.
mixing.
See? Okay, just.
Oh, mix it in. Look, there's the glue.
Starting to turn into a nice pinky color. I think it's time for me to mix with my hands. I think.
There's the glue. Look at that.
Yeah, it's time for me to mix with my hands. I can't wait. Okay. I've been waiting this for years and years. So I'm just gonna put the spoon and like dig into the slime to keep mixing it with my hands. Easier to mix with my hands. Oh, it's starting to get together. It's so hard. Will this ever end? Will the mixing ever end? You know when it gets so we're gonna keep mixing. So when we're done mixing, we'll see you. So bye.